Hi folks, I'm Mike Berger with LBM Journal, and today we're here to talk about ACRE siding and trim boards from Modern Mill. What is it that sets this wood alternative apart from others on the market? Well, to start with, it's made from recycled rice hulls. That's right, rice hulls. It's 100% tree-free and it's 100% recyclable. ACRE boards have a genuine wood aesthetic. If you look closely, you can see what appears to be wood grain throughout the material. In addition, ACRE boards will accept stain and paint, they're rated for ground contact, and they won't splinter, rot, or mold. ACRE boards are low maintenance with a limited lifetime guarantee against that water, weather, and rot. You can cut, screw, nail, or drill the material with regular tools, and the material is easier on your blades than hardwoods would be. There are no knots or any sap lines, so when you do go to paint or stain the material, it's going to turn out beautifully. Now, according to Modern Mill, ACRE is the only composite that can accept stain, and there's no primer required when painting. And as I mentioned earlier, it is suitable for direct ground contact. There's no static cling, no edge gluing required, and again, you can paint and stain without priming the material. Plus, it does have the look and feel of real wood. And compared to other composites on the market, ACRE is lightweight, yet it's strong and straight. It's easy on your tools and your blades, and it doesn't crack or scratch when it's cut. And for those customers looking for a truly sustainable product, Modern Mill's ACRE boards are made here in the USA in a zero-waste manufacturing facility. So when you're ready to take a step into the world of wood alternatives, think ACRE by Modern Mill. Venture into the rice paddy, or in this case, upcycled rice hulls, and discover for yourself the unique benefits that ACRE has to offer. I'm Mike Berger with LBM Journal. Make sure to check out more videos at lbmjournal.com. And for more information on ACRE and its coating and installation properties, head to modern-mill.com.